So students, in this video lecture we will talk about Introduction to Trigonometry exercise 8.4, question number 5. In the following question we have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. So first question is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. We have to prove this side is equal to this side. So firstly we have left hand side is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Firstly we simplify this. Cosec is 1 by sin theta minus cot is cos theta by sin theta whole square. Now LCM is sin theta and the numerator is 1 minus cos theta whole of square. Now 1 minus cos theta whole square and sin square theta. We know the identity of sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So now using this identity 1 minus cos square theta, and that is 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Okay, then 1 square is 1, so we can write 1 as 1 square minus cos square theta. This is 1 minus cos theta, this is 1 minus cos theta. A square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. Here we have a and this is b. A square minus b square. A is 1 and b is cos theta. So by this identity 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, this will become 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. Now simplifying this, we got 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. Now the RHS is this and the left hand side is this. So we have proved LHS is equal to RHS. This is the second question of exercise 8.4, question number 5. Okay, in this question we have given cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. We have to prove this 2 sec A. This is left hand side, this is right hand side. So firstly we will use left hand side. By solving this we get LCM of these two are 1 plus sin A cos A. This will become cos square A and this will become 1 plus sin A whole of square. Now solving this we get cos square A plus b whole square is a square, that is 1 square plus b square sin square A plus 2ab, that is 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A cos A. We have an identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now we have sin square A and cos square A. This will become 1 and 1 square is 1 plus 2 sin A. And the denominator is 1 plus sin A bracket close cos A. 1 1 2 plus 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A bracket close cos A. Now taking common from these two will become common, and now inside will become 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A bracket close cos A. By simplifying this we can cut off these two and this will become 2 by cos A. This means 2 sec A. Okay, so the RHS is equal to LHS. So we have proved this question. RHS is equal to LHS. So this is the third question. We have given tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cos sec theta. We have to prove LHS equal to RHS. We have given a hint here. Write the expression in terms of sin theta and cos theta. We have to simplify tan theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta, and cot theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. So firstly we know that tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, and the cot theta is cos theta minus sin theta. Add cot theta is cos theta minus sin theta, and 1 minus tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. By simplifying cos theta, sin theta, taking LCM from this will become sin theta and sin theta minus cos theta. Now cos theta minus sin theta by sin theta. Now taking LCM, this will become cos theta minus sin theta. Now the last term will go to the first term, and this third term will go to the second term. This will come, now this will come sin square theta, and this will cos theta bracket sin theta minus cos theta. Addition sign, this will become cos square theta, and this will become sin theta cos theta minus sin theta. Now taking minus term common from this will become same as this. So now here we get cos theta, this will sin theta minus cos theta. We take minus from common from this term, so this will become minus, and this will become cos square theta. This is sin theta, that will become sin theta minus cos theta. Now taking LCM from both the sides, this will become sin theta cos theta. This will become sin theta minus cos theta, and this will become sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. We know the formula for a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. By using this identity, this will become sin theta minus cos theta, and sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta, and the denominator sin theta cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. By simplifying this will cut off, and sin square theta plus cos square theta, we know that this will become 1, and plus sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. The sin theta cos theta will go to both the sides, 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. This will cut off and become 1, and this will become cos sec theta plus 1. Now the RHS is equal to LHS, so we have proved this question. So in this fourth question we have given 1 plus sec a upon sec a is equal to sin square a upon 1 minus cos a. We have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. We have given a hint here, simplify LHS and RHS separately. We have to simplify each one of them separately. Okay, firstly we will solve left hand side by simplifying sec a is 1 by cos a, and sec a is 1 by cos a. We will simplify this, LCM cos a plus 1, this will become 1 by cos a. This will cut off, and the LHS will be cos a plus 1. Now solving RHS, sin square a is 1 minus cos square a. By the identity sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, so sin square a will become 1 minus cos square a. That's why I write sin square a as 1 minus cos square a. Now in the denominator 1 minus cos a, we can write 1 as 1 square minus cos square a, and the denominator is 1 minus cos a. We have identity for a square minus b square, that is a minus b, a plus b. Now a is 1, b is cos a, so we can write 1 minus cos square a, 1 minus cos a, 1 plus cos a. Now the denominator is 1 minus cos a. This will simplify and this will cut off, and the remaining will 1 plus cos A. Now the LHS is 1 plus cos A and the RHS is 1 plus cos A. So we have proved LHS is equal to RHS.